So I kind of lied to you guys last week when I was talking about rotary machines and how I usually always use coil machines to do most of my color work. I do have this, this was it is a Diablo Hybrid. I got it back probably, oh, 2015 maybe. What I did to it is, it came with, there was two versions you could have got. One was with the Japanese motor and one was with a Swiss Maxon. I ended up getting the Swiss Maxon motor factory installed. I put a little lighter spring on it. So again, the spring, like a coil machine, will take a little bit of the hit. And I put a different bearing on it, and I'm pretty sure I can capture. So right now, this is actually like has a 5mm stroke length, so it is definitely my best color pack in rotary. And I'm going to see if I can capture this. So again, your stroke length is how far that needle travels back and forth, and you can kind of see. Like, it's definitely got some swing to it in there. I gotta get that up a little bit. Let me just turn that voltage up and get it running a little smoother for you. So that's 5mm of pure color packing perfection right there. And again, the spring on the back will take a little bit of the hit, unlike most rotary, so you'll leave a little bit more pigment in the skin on each pass. You can also, anybody that has needle tensioners on your tattoo machines, which is this thing here, instead of the rubber bands, you can, I don't recommend doing it because you're just going to put more stress on the motor, and stressing rotary motors is not what you want to have happen. But you can actually, if you tighten that down a little bit, you can kind of control your stroke length a little bit. Like, you can tighten it up. You can't really do a whole lot as far as loosening it, but this thing is a beast, and I'll tell you, I've pushed 15 mags like a piece of cake with it. Right now that's on like 6.5 volts, and it's definitely flying. So that's pretty much what a 5mm stroke length looks like right there. Again, it's kind of hard on, doing it, but when you guys are looking at your machines, yeah, that's got some swing to it right there. So that's your stroke length, how far the needle travels back and forth. And when you adjust the hit on rotary machines, is whatever terminology that is, you're basically adjusting your stroke length, which is how far the needle travels back and forth. So again, I don't know, back in 2015 maybe when I got this, I think I paid like $185 for it. With all the parts and stuff I put into it, it's probably worth about $250 or so. But boy, I'll tell you, when it comes to color packing, as far as rotaries go, they don't get much better than this. So yeah, that's one of my babies. Alright, let's see ya.